friends, and welcome to Miss Gilbert's Lockdown Learning. I have something very special for you today. Today we're going to be making some Oobleck, which is a very tricky word. You might know it from the Dr. Seuss book Bartholomew and the Oobleck. So I'm going to show you today how to make it. It's sort of like slime, but it's actually a non-Newtonian liquid. Wow, what does that mean? We're going to find out. Very simple ingredients for our Oobleck. All you need is some corn flour, and unfortunately this is made from wheat starch, so gluten-free people, you better not touch this one. And some water. How easy is that? I'm going to add some dye and mix the colours to make my Oobleck a green colour today. So that's just a bit of extra fun. Okay, here we go. A very simple recipe. All you need is 2 parts corn flour and 1 part water. So you can decide how much Oobleck you want to make. Today I'm making 1/3 of a cup. So I'll do 2/3 of a cup of corn flour and 1/3 of a cup of water. Here we go. So measuring that into my bowl. It's going to get a little bit messy, that's okay. You can easily put an apron on or get Mum and Dad to help you. Okay, better pull up my sleeves. And this is 1/3 of a cup of water. So I'm going to slowly add that in. I have a liquid and a solid. What is it going to make when I mix it together? Now, I'm going to add my food dye now, which you could add to the water. I forgot to do that, but that's okay. Let's see if it works straight into my Oobleck. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of blue. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of yellow. Now you remember from our rainbow experiment that these 2 primary colours should mix to make a secondary colour. What colour are they going to make? I'm going to show you with the Oobleck. Now it's a little bit tricky to mix it, but later we'll get our hands into it and it'll be a lot of fun. You can see that that's all forming to make a solid. My colours haven't mixed that well, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to leave that there, and now I'm going to mix with my hands and show you. So pull up those sleeves. So as you can see, I'm applying pressure to make a sphere, and then if I let the pressure go, my Oobleck turns back into that slime, into that liquid. So my question is, receptions, is Oobleck a liquid or a solid? Fantastic. Have fun finding out. So receptions, this is actually really fun to play with. It looks like a liquid, but if I apply that force, it's as hard as a concrete wall. Do you know it's hard enough that even someone could walk across it? It's that cool. Let me show you another way you can make it change from a solid to a liquid. If I apply pressure and make a ball, I can then let it run through my hands. receptions, I'm just going to show you another way of how to change your oobleck from a solid to a liquid. Are you ready? Hard as a rock. Okay, receptions, I'm going to say bye for now. If you need me, I'll be playing with my oobleck. Bye. Bye. Okay, receptions, I'm going to show you another way now to change from a solid to a liquid by applying force. Are you ready? You ready? Throw it down. Look at it gurgling out. Oh, that's awful. Should we redo? You want to throw it down hard, or should I just drop it? Yeah. Okay, do I have to speak again? Hello receptions, and welcome. Hello reception. Okay, receptions. Can you just use that for a spin? Well, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just me. You ready?
Wait 1 second.
Now you might have heard of Oobleck from Dr. Seuss's Bartholomew and the Oobleck? Giant Oobleck? That's the title of the story. What's the book called? It's Bartholomew and the Oobleck.